Hi, I'm Manuela Wilbold, the Chief Marketing Officer at ClickDo. With the new year here, it's the perfect time to take your career to the next level. Today, I'll show you how to build an effective online resume portfolio, or CV website, as a copywriter to kickstart your dream career in 2025. So let's dive in. Let's face it, traditional resumes, they're a little limited. They list your skills, sure, but they don't really show what you're capable of. That's where a digital portfolio changes the game. Think of it as your personal showcase. You're not just telling people what you've done, you're showing them. And trust me, that's how you leave a lasting impression. An online portfolio is more than a digital CV, it's your story. It showcases your best work, highlights your skills, and helps you connect with potential clients or employers. And here's the best part. It's all yours. You can make it as unique as your writing voice. Ready to find out why this is such a big deal? Let me break it down. An online portfolio helps you bring your work to life, stay flexible, and stand out in a crowded market. It's a tool to grow your visibility and attract the right opportunities. Let's talk about building your portfolio. Use no-code platforms like WordPress. It's easy to use and customizable. Pick a theme, organize your work, and make it your own. Now that your portfolio website is ready, it's time to choose the perfect domain name. With the right domain, your online portfolio can truly stand out. Remember, your content is just as important as your design. It's your voice in a crowded room. The more engaging and authentic it is, the more people will want to work with you. Don't forget to link your social media accounts to your portfolio. A synchronized strategy increases your visibility and attracts the right opportunities. Let your content tell your story. Share your unique perspective. It's what makes you memorable. Don't worry, I've got you covered. ClickDo offers expert SEO consultant services to help UK local businesses shine online. We handle everything from on-page SEO and technical SEO to content marketing and link building. Let us help your business grow and get noticed. You've got the tools, tips, and inspiration to build an amazing portfolio. So, what are you waiting for? Start today and let 2025 be the year your career soars.
Ready to level up your career? Visit manuelawilbold.com for expert tips, actionable insights, and strategies to help you stand out. Plus, at ClickDo and Seek a Host, we provide web hosting, domains, marketing, SEO, and more to support your journey. Let's build your online presence together.